a bag of potatoes with onions and peppers. I have 16 ounces of sour cream that I'm just going to plop right there in the center. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We'll just drizzle that all over the top. Ooh, this is going to be so creamy. Ooh, these potatoes are gonna be so good. Okay, so let's get all the rest. We wanna get all that good stuff out. Just get all the rest of this cream of chicken soup right out there. Okay, perfect. Once you have those two in there, you're just gonna come and you're gonna mix these potatoes, the sour cream, and the cream of chicken soup all together, just fully coating all of these potatoes. You guys, look at how creamy these potatoes are getting. This dish is so easy. It's great for any type of picnic or barbecue or maybe even a funeral. I don't know. I'm just saying they're good for any big, large group of people. It won't break the bake, and these are super easy to put together. Looks like these potatoes are nice and mixed up, so we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna level them all the way out right here in this container that we're using. Just leveling all of these potatoes out so we have a nice, even layer. I'd say that looks about good right there. Grab yourself a stick of butter. Here I conveniently have mine pre-sliced, and go ahead and just put this stick of butter in your slices. We just wanna lay a layer really quickly right here over these super creamy potatoes, ooh, that we have going on. These are gonna be delicious. I am pretty stoked about this right here. Okay, that looks great. A little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. Let's just open this bag right up here. And I am just gonna start pouring this cheese just like so, right over the top. We love cheese with our potatoes. I mean, honestly, if you don't like cheese with your potatoes, I don't know. I don't even know. Is something wrong with you? I'm not sure, because cheese and potatoes are yummy. Look at that. I just used the entire bag. I'm not even mad about it. I'm just gonna go in evenly, kind of spread this cheese over. Okay, that looks great. Here we are, some cornflakes. I am pouring these cornflakes right over top of the cheese that I have right here. Now I'm just gonna start with a nice thin layer of cornflakes over the top, and I'll just kind of gradually increase it. These are gonna leave such a nice crunchy coating on the top. These potatoes are gonna be creamy and cheesy, and look at that. I think we're almost through here. I'm just gonna pour the rest of those on. We used about 2 cups of cornflakes, and then same thing, just evenly spread them right over top like so. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I cannot wait to eat these things, and I can't wait to show you just how creamy they get with that cream of chicken, that sour cream, the butter, the cheese, the cornflakes. Ooh, they're gonna be so good. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna cover it. If the cornflakes start to get brown, I'll cover it, but I think that they're gonna be just fine. So let's stick it in and let it cook. All right, folks, look at those. Wow, you know what? The cornflakes on top look perfect, and I did not cover them at all. And look at how nice and like golden brown. Ooh, I can see the melted cheese. I'm gonna dig right into these. Oh, listen to that crunch. Oh, the nice crispy top. Okay, here, I'm gonna get myself. Look at how moist those look. Wow, those look great. Check out those potatoes. Oh, right here, baby. This is what I'm talking about. I'm pretty excited about these. Can you tell?
Yeah, I'll try it.
I want to get this corner with the cheesiness and the cornflake crunch on top. These are so good. Wow, and these were so easy. Holy cow. Totally putting these on the list of favorite things. Yum. No joke, you guys. These are almost too good to be true. These were so freaking simple, and they are super good. Look at how creamy those things are. Holy cow, I'm gonna be enjoying these. I might just have this for dinner. I'd be totally cool with that. All right, let me know. Have you ever made anything like this? If not, you need to give it a try.